all, welcome back to my channel, My Tech Zone. Today we are going to learn about a new library called Colorama. Most of you must have heard about it, and whoever haven't heard about this library called Colorama, here comes a video with a proper explanation. First of all, why this library is helpful for us in order to change the output colors in Python. So let's get into the video without any further more delay. Yes. So here we are, and I made a new replet for Colorama, and I'm going to import this library. So first, let's run it and let us add it to the libraries list of replet. So when you run it, Python in replet does it automatically. But if you're doing it in any of the softwares like Idle or Anaconda, you gotta install it via command prompt or via notebook. So let it get installed. It's almost done. Yes. And once this is done, now what we need to do is we need to install along with Colorama. In Colorama, we have to tell them which modules I'm planning to use. My job here is to try changing the background and foreground colors of Python output. So I would import these two libraries whose name is back for background and for the foreground. So as you all know, a print statement will help us in printing the output in Python. So I'll just say I'm learning Python from my Tech Zone channel. Now, the moment you do this, as you all know, that Python would give us a default color in the output. It could be white. In some cases, it could be black in some cases. Now, in our case, it is white. Now, if somebody asks me how to change the color of this output, here comes the explanation. So first, you need to tell them which color you want. I want this entire foreground color to turn into blue. So let's see how to do that. So if I want the foreground color, that is the font color, to be changed, first I need to use for dot and let them know which color you want. I'm planning for blue. Just do a plus and time to run the code. Ta-da! As you can see that my output color is changed. Now, let's do one more print statement. Python is cool. Now, when you see this, again, when I run the code, by default, the output is blue color. What you need to observe, once you set the foreground color as blue, it is fixed for the upcoming next statements. But if you want to change it, of course, you can use the same for and you can change it. But now I want to change the background. Let's go for red. Let's run the code. See? So that's how you can customize your background as well as the foreground. But one question, can we use every color that's available? No. There are only certain colors that Colorama supports. So here comes those colors. It's red, green, blue, white, yellow, magenta, and cyan white. So only these colors are supported in Colorama library. Apart from this, if you use any other colors, it would end up being an error. I know that's strange that black is not here, but yes, that's how it is. Next. I think that's pretty much. I just taught you how to do the things. And yes, using this library, you can make your Python change colors just like HTML code does. And thanks for watching. Please visit again, and I'll see you in the next video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.